second bare places, you know.
Yeah. He still plays, isn't it?
Nah. We were a team, innit?
Oh yeah.
You play for fun and that. You
Yeah.
get like some, you know, when there's tournament,
Mm-hmm.
some team like ask him to play and pay him, innit?
Yeah.
So pay him £500 to play for that 1 day tournament.
Yeah, yeah.
That's not bad, innit? You get like £500 for a day tournament.
Mm-hmm. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Day out, because he loves football anyway, innit?
Yeah, yeah.
Because he was quite good, innit? He's like, he played at good level.
Mm-hmm.
He was at like academy for Coventry.
Yeah.
You
I
know,
haven't played
West Brom,
football in ages, man.
Birmingham. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I know, man. Do miss football.
I'd love to get back on that field. It's been long, like over probably like almost 5 years.
Yeah, so you're gonna feel it when you come back. But you go gym anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I'm
not
still
too bad.
active, so
Yeah. Me, if I go play now the next day, I won't be able to get up the stairs. I mean, no active. Don't even active getting in and out of the van.
You just
Put
need
the
to get back
cones
on it,
out.
man.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Get back on it, you should be alright. Let's see when the snow clear up. We might have more next week.
I know, yeah. They said it's gonna snow more next week, isn't it? So there's a Craig here somewhere, innit?
I don't know.
There's gotta be one around here.
Probably, you know. It's one of them.
There, it's on the left, that's it.
Yeah.
Absolutely
I remember
awesome.
that time we came around here.
It's closed, isn't it?
Probably.
It's open.
No, it's closed. It's closed. What's it here? I think it's open.
It's open.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that, Greg?
It's open, but I don't see anybody in there.
So go park and walk out.
Yeah, let's go around and then we pop back.
See what's around there. But
Too much ice, I can't even see the roundabout sometimes.
should be open. I swear, parked over. This white car.
I see one. Hopefully it's not too icy when I'm ready to move.
Can't get out.